Welcome to One Question at a Time, the SAT series. Question number 18. Find the area of the triangle ABC. So we know that to find the area of the triangle, we need a height. Area of the triangle is 1/2 the height multiplied by the base. The height and the base are perpendicular to each other. So by looking at this triangle, it's really hard to figure out what is the height and the base. We can use one of those sides of the triangle to be the base, but either way, it's really hard to figure it out. So instead of doing directly finding the area of that ABC triangle ABC, we find a bigger triangle, and I call this point is D. I will take we can see like the area of the triangle A, B, D. We subtract the area of the triangle A, C, D to get the area of triangle ABC. It's like a bigger A, B, D is a bigger triangles. Right? And you can see it's like a ring triangle. And we subtract 4. We subtract the smaller triangle A, that's the purple one, to get the area of the triangle ABC. Okay, so that is our target, right? Okay, now for triangle ABD, I will choose AD at the base because we can count. It's like on the x-axis, so we can count the unit on the x-axis. Okay, so from A to D is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for the base is 9. So we have 1/2 times 9. And how about for the height is from B go down perpendicular to AD. Okay. And it's easy to count because that's the y value of point B, so it's 6. Or we can count on it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then we subtract the area of the triangle ACD. So we have the same base AD, so it's 1/2 multiply by the base is 9. And then for the height, we know that C right there, so the height will be 3, the y value of C. Or we can count 1, 2, 3. Okay. And this one will give us the area of triangle ABC. Now we can take 1/2 times 9 out and 6 subtract 3. This one will give us 1/2 times 9 times 3. So that will be 27 times 1/2 is divided by 2. And that will give us 13.5 or 13 1/2. So either 13.5 or 13 1/2 at the mixed number will be the area of triangle ABC. So A should be the right answer. Thank you for participating in this series. See you next time.